In this video, we'll see how we can create gallery tab in WordPress website using Elementor. Here you can see this is my gallery tab. If I click on it, it will pop up, and here you can see tab has been created. Different images are showing in different tab. Let's see how we can do that. First, you must install Elementor, then we'll proceed further. So to create gallery tab, we will install Elementor. Okay. I have already installed basic Elementor. I will upload pro version of Elementor through which we will create Cal. Okay, let's go. Click on Add New. Currently, you can see Elementor is already installed. This is a basic Elementor. Now, this is a Elementor plugin. Now I will install Elementor Pro. You can download Elementor Pro by link in description. I've added link in description. You can see the plan and purchase it. I have activated the plugin. Now Elementor Pro is successfully here. You can see Elementor Pro is installed. Now what I will do, I will create a new page for gallery tab in which I will create gallery tab. Let's go. Create page gallery. Publish it. Click on add it with Elementor. Here search for gallery. Here you can see you will get best gallery for free, but this is in pro version. Just here you can see you get gallery. Here you can see multiple. You can create multiple gallery and add images inside it. This is tab 1 and images inside will be here you can see you can add any number of images you want. This is my gallery tab 1. Now I will create here you can see all is also showing. If I don't want to show all, I will remove it. I will show you how. Tab 2. Yeah, you can change order by grid. Tab 1, tab 2, or now I will change column grid justified. You can change accordingly here in grid or here. Now it looks better, so you can change that of the and it is light box also. You can cut from here. Now go to it. Now I want one thing. I just don't want to show all. To go to filter bar. All filter I don't want to show. I want to go tab 1, tab 2. I've created 3 tabs. Tab 3, tab 1, tab 2. It's easily created. You can see I can easily created my gallery tab. I will add a heading. Gallery tab. Here. Now I will style the gallery tab. So let's go. Order by you can change random, default. These are two options. We have changed the layout. If I want to remove spacing, I can remove it. If you want to add custom URL, that you can add from here. You can change the resolution. I will change it to full. Now filter bar. Filter bar pointer, overlay. You can see overlay, double line, framed. Here you can see there are multiple options. You can select accordingly. Okay. Animation. How you want to show. Like if I click on it, it will like open like this, grow. If I select grow, then its animation will change here. You can set animation accordingly. Overlay title, if you want to show on image above image, here you can see. Here you can see the title of images are showing. If you want to show some specific tag, if you want to show caption, you can show it caption or alt text if you want to show. So in Pro version, you will get many feature of gallery there. And if you want to show description like in title, after that you can say caption, all this. How you can add, you can go to setting. The images you have added, when you go to images, there will be option alt text, title, caption, description, whatever details you enter here will be shown. So that's the first one. Like I have added some description. Now if I go to overlay, here you can see description. There is no description in other, but here you can see. If I want to show title, here you can see both title and description are shown on overlay. And you can style it. You can style from here images, border width, radius, animation duration, overlay, content. You can also style filter bar color. If you don't like it, you can change accordingly. Here you can see. Oh, but anything you can style from here. Okay, that's all. That's how you can create gallery tab in your WordPress website using Elementor. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.